formulated for men, put together for 3 months, called Care for Men kits. Best for men with hormonal imbalance, low sperm counts, and for men who desire to enhance and restore their fertility speedily. Product description: Care for Men kits is formulated to detoxify the system, support normal hormonal levels in men, regulate proper sperm production to help boost and increase sperm counts, motility, vitality, and morphology of sperm, and help men become fathers naturally. Product benefits: Care for Men kits helps to detoxify body systems. It balances the endocrine system, which activates the production of testosterone from the testes. It regulates levels of the hormone cortisol and testosterone, helping bring low levels back to normal. It stimulates and supports the pituitary glands by increasing semen volume, sperm counts, and motility, and improving sperm quality. It helps increase sperm concentrations in men diagnosed with oligospermia. It helps the testes to produce healthy and active sperm and reduce the number of dead sperm and inactive sperm. It increases blood circulation to the male reproductive system. It completely restores men's fertility and helps men become fathers naturally. You can order Care for Men kit now to boost your sperm count and restore your fertility.